Hey! Have you ever heard of periodic table of elements? I know some of you in our junior high school class, we have attended science class. But have you wondered about any other specific elements? Now, we're going to talk about these 4 specific elements, namely uranium, argon, gallium, and yttrium on Chemistry Talks. The objective of this is for you people to know why they exist. Of course, the use. Mainly, I mean the 4 specific elements. Uranium. Hi, Uranus, I mean uranium. Uranium is a chemical element wherein it has the symbol U and an atomic number 92. Silver gray metal in the actinide series in the periodic table. It has 92 electrons and 92 protons. 6 of which, 6 is valence electrons. Hi guys, I'm back for Uranus, I mean the discussion of uranium. I know this is bad, but for the sake of the video. On August 6, 1945, a 10-foot-long bomb, bomb fell from the sky over the Japanese city called Hiroshima. Minutes later, everything within a mile of the bomb's detonation was obliterated! This was the first ever use of an atomic bomb in the modern warfare. Also, one famous element was used to wreak its havoc, and it's the uranium. Dun, dun, dun.
Now, to understand uranium, it's important to know radioactivity. Uranium is naturally radioactive. Its nucleus is unstable, so the element is in a constant state of peaking, seeking a more stable arrangement. In fact, uranium was the element that made the discovery of radioactivity possible.
Is not only used as a nuclear weapon, and is said to be a power source as well, but it is also especially said to be practically infinite.
There are nuclear power plants being made around the world that make some country powerful enough to sustain a lot of things.
The only downside of this is it produces chemical waste, of course, that is unhealthy to the planet Earth.
There is a storage for waste, mainly on the deepest part of the Earth. So the radioactivity of the waste won't harm anyone else, especially the Earth.
Have you ever wondered what was inside those fluorescent lights and in welding as well?
Those are argon. Argon was the Greek word for lazy, as it has no lethal reaction to form compounds. Argon is inert, colorless, and odorless element, one of the noble gases. Though inert, argon is far from rare. It takes up 0.94% of the Earth's atmosphere. By chemicals calculation, that translates to 65 trillion metric tons, and the number increases over time as the potassium decays.
Because argon is inert, it is used in industrial processes that require an unreactive atmosphere. According to gas supply company Praxair, it includes welding specialty alloys and producing semiconductor wafers. Argon is also a good insulator, so it's often pumped into deep-sea diving dry suits to keep the diver warm. Checkmate.
Another use for argon is in historical preservation.
The gas is pumped around important documents such as Map of the World dating back to 1507 in the Library of Congress and a copy of the Magna Carta held by the U.S. National Archives. Unlike reactive oxygen, the argon doesn't degrade the paper or ink on delicate documents.
Probably, every one of you had already watched a video about gallium. Gallium is a soft, silvery metal used primarily in electronic circuits, semiconductors, and light-emitting diodes or LEDs. It is also useful in high-temperature thermometers, barometers, pharmaceuticals, and nuclear medicine tests. This element has no known biological value.
In nature, gallium is never found as a free element. It cannot be found in a substantial amount in any material. Rather, it exists trace amounts of various compounds including zinc ores and bauxites. By weight, galliums make up about 0.0019 of Earth's crust according to periodictable.com.
Gallium is primarily used in electronics. In fact, about 95% of all gallium produced is used to make microwaves and infrared circuits, semiconductors, and blue and violet LEDs. Gallium arsenide laser light directly from electricity and is used in solar panels and those on Mars exploration rover.
Heading on to our final element, yttrium.
Yttrium was discovered in the late 18th century, but only seen during the past decades. It has this soft silver metal found widespread use in chemistry, physics, computer technology, energy, medicine, and other fields.
On the periodic table of elements, yttrium is among the transition metals, which include some more well-known elements such as silver and iron. Transition metals tend to be strong, pliable, which is why some of them, such as copper and nickel, are widely used for wires.
Yttrium wires and rods are also used in electronics and solar energy. Yttrium is also used in lasers, ceramics, camera lenses, and dozens of other items.
Yttrium is one of the rare earth elements. Despite their name, rare earth elements are rather plentiful around the world. Now, yttrium has become more indispensable on manufacturing on cell phones and other technologies.
Now, that's all for the video. I hope you, yes, you, have at least understood a single information about the properties of the element. Now, here's the thing. If you get the reference of our video, there's a hidden joke inside this one. If you combine the element symbol of uranium, argon, gallium, yttrium, you get the word you are getting.